Welcome to Techamuna.com video reviews. Today we're looking at the Apexel BomShot RGB video light. You can find it on Lazada for about 730 pesos or about $14 US. I'll put a link in the description below. In the box, you'll find the user manual, micro USB charging cable, and the unit itself. To be honest, when I first got the package, I immediately thought there was a mistake in delivery because it was so small. After opening it, I said to myself, I have a bad feeling about this because it was so tiny. The photo from the Lazada page makes it look at least twice as big. However, after powering up the device, I was shocked at how bright it got. And after playing around with it for a few minutes, I realized that this tiny device could actually be very useful. Going through the device, you'll see 3 buttons on top. Micro USB for charging, a microphone for the AI features, and at the bottom, a 1/4 inch tripod hole. For the controls, you have a power switch that also doubles as the brightness control, and there are 3 brightness levels to choose from. The other button is to choose the color. You can cycle between white, warm white, purple, orange, light green, light purple, and dark blue. Lastly, the AI button, which is what I call party mode. It uses the mic to match the light pattern with whatever sound it picks up. It also has a DJ and fantasy mode, which is basically just a pre-programmed pattern. Now putting it to action, I tried it on my trusty dog Mr. Chewy, but he proved to be difficult as he was unwilling to be my model. However, he did seem to enjoy the calming light patterns. Are you enjoying this video? You want to see more of Mr. Chewy? Then please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. After finding a less difficult model to work with, you can see there are quite a few uses for an RGB light. From just using it as a regular fill light, to making artistic shots, as a backlight, and even using it as a green and blue screen. Really, the possibilities are only limited by one's imagination. This BomShot RGB light turned out to be a really nice surprise. The small size ended up being a big advantage as you can easily position it almost anywhere. I like that it's rechargeable and that you can mount it to a tripod or selfie stick. There are only a few cons on this device, mostly suggestions for the next version. I wish I could mix the colors and have more fine control of the brightness, but I guess that's why there are more expensive RGB lights out there. Also, a bigger and more powerful version would be a nice option to have. Finally, while there are certainly better RGB lights, they do cost 3 to 4 times more. At this price, I think this device should be part of every photographer and videographer's everyday gear. I hope you enjoyed this short review of the BomShot RGB video light. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.